At Grain Machinery, precision, quality, and customer service are our top priorities. To achieve this, we rely on the unmatched performance of HAIMER tools. Working with HAIMER's application engineering team has fine-tuned our processes for greater precision and efficiency. Founded in 1975, Grain Machinery and HAIMER, founded in 1977, have been industry leaders for decades. Our partnership combines precision, innovation, and reliability to ensure excellence in every part we produce. HAIMER's Duo-Lock technology boosts carbide tool performance with high rigidity for faster metal removal, doubling productivity. Paired with advanced milling geometries, it ensures precision and helps Grain Machinery deliver high-quality parts on time. With over 50 years of experience and HAIMER's innovation, we create a synergy that drives excellence, quality, and innovation. At Grain Machinery, we trust HAIMER, your trusted choice for precision.